Hi everyone, my name is Frostlord, and today we are playing Minecraft right now. Hold up, let me just fix something on my, move this, move, sorry. So we are starting this. Why am I see-through? Shouldn't, screw it. So we're going to be playing Minecraft, starting a whole new world today, and I'm doing the starter chest because I'm weak. And I've played Minecraft a bunch of times. In fact, I've beaten Minecraft. Although it was like a year or two ago, I don't remember. But I've played this game since 2010, 2012, I don't remember. So yeah, this here, blah blah. And I have this character masked because Dream. No, keep that. Oh, we got cocoa beans. Oh yeah, we can make chocolate. Yes. Okay, crafting table, go ahead. Put that up. And let's look. The seed for this I use is Among Us. And this world is literally just Sigh, which is that sigh was not on purpose, by the way. I feel like it was meant to, but the heck kind of seed is this? Just water. Well, it's just water, but still. God, my, why is it so jittery? Why? Oh yeah, I'm using a record thing, and since I'm cheap as hell, this is an old webcam, by the way. That's why I have one, because my dad gave it to me, and it's because I'm cheap, very cheap, probably the cheapest YouTuber ever. That's why you can't hear the game. It's because then I would have to pay for it, and because I'm cheap, I will not. But since I cannot do this, if you guys want, I can record me playing Smash Bros. Ultimate on my Nintendo Switch, but please tell me how to get it on my computer so that I can play it on my computer, because I have no clue how. It would be so great if someone could tell me. For the love of God. Okay, got some cobblestone. Come over here. And no, we're not speed running this. Like, most of you people are like, are you speed running this? This is the worst speed run I've ever seen. No, I'm not freaking speed run. I accidentally just forward it. Well, I know that's gonna get cut. Well, that was my first swear I think I've ever done on video. But don't worry, because I can stop with the power of editing. Why do I even try? Why do I even listen to? Why do I even do half of the things that I do at this point? Also, I'm gonna get to. I barely post any Roblox video, and when I recorded that Roblox video for the Road Battles event, why was that so popular? Of all of my other videos, and I didn't even find it. It was just a fan made game. So why, for God's sake, was it so popular? I mean, seriously, I really wasn't even trying. For some reason, you guys liked it so much. I just don't understand. Probably wondering what I'm doing. Oh, I usually play Minecraft. I go around, I collect resources, and then once I get a full inventory, I find a place to settle down. I might be see-through on I'm see-through on my end. Like I see my character technically like right here, here, right. Okay, and what we got over here? That was fireworks. Okay, I was like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I need to remember about copyright. So I cannot just start singing for a random reason, because the song I start singing might get me copyrighted. I need to remember that. I need to not be a gosh darn idiot. We'll just start singing a song like right now. I almost did. I'm not even joking. No, that's not a cuss word. Frick is not a cuss word. Um, well, isn't that... I'm not even gonna... Do I have... Yes, I have wood. I'm playing this on Bedrock, by the way, if you didn't know. Because it runs more smooth for me. Because if I try to run it on Java, it will occasionally crash. And this is how you make a boat in this version. I know in Bedrock. I don't know why it's not in Java, because it's early in ore, so you would obviously need a freaking wooden shovel just to make the ore. It's kind of obvious. It's really obvious, actually. Does anyone remember when you used to do the, like, when Minecraft was a... Oh, look, Corey. When Minecraft was a thing, the world, it would be very limited. So when you get to the edge, it would just be nothing, and then you could kind of like see the edge, almost, but you could pass it. No, I did. I just found an ocean monument. Wait, I have a little. I have a map. I have a map. I have a map. Let me map this real quick. Okay, and mapped it. Should be good. All this more loot and stuff over there. I'm gonna go there. I'm not gonna go there because I would need a freaking water breathing potions. Just to actually like explore and get really good stuff. No baby turtles. Gonna have to do that to get some skis. Oh, I think I screwed up. Okay, let's go. It's the chest. God. Grab it, grab. Go on. Up. Frick. Blech. Woo! Jesus. Well, I'm dead. Ow. And okay, where's this treasure? Oh, it's this way. Oh, it's literally over here. Oh, sweet. Oh, it looks like to the middle. I have iron. I have like one cobblestone. Oh god, it should be like right here then. Well, if I can make a shovel, let's go ahead and craft this. Get this out of the way. Collect this. And we could sometimes get diamonds from these. Okay, and my guess is right this block right here. Oh, this is gonna take a while. This is gonna take a while. This is gonna take a while. Why does this take so long? Oh, I must be stupid. Wow. Iron. We got freaking almost an entire set in the chain set, bro. Holy crap. Prismarine crystal. 2 diamondes. And then 1 nice good old heart of the sea. Take this. Let's tower up. And we don't need this. I need to get off this island and go somewhere before this video is about to end. Because I'm timed. That's how long it's going to be. 13, 14. Well, I know this is not, I swear. Freaking God. It could be 2 oceans one. I feel like I feel like I'm singing stuff. Holy crap. I'm speechless. I'm gonna be 100% honest with every single one of you guys. Let's just call out those. I'm not gonna say Christian. Why is my camera so laggy? Oh, that's what I found my edit. Oh my let go! Wow. Now that is what I like to call progress. And I hereby release this snowy area, the Frostland. Let's stop here. Let's end the video right over here. Right here. Crafting table just because. And 1, 2 torches. Okay, let's end this video off properly. So thank you guys for watching this. This was my first Minecraft video. And I'll see you in the next Minecraft video. Okay? Okay, so I'm doing this. Anyway.